Alright, welcome back to part 2 of my series on 6 amazingly compact ways to fold clothes for packing. If you've ever faced the dreaded overstuffed suitcase or struggled to zip up your bag before a big trip, you know the pain. Today, I'm sharing 6 more packing hacks that'll save you space, keep your clothes tidy, and maybe even make packing weirdly satisfying. Let's get into it. Number 1, the Ranger Roll Part 2. I know I mentioned the Ranger Roll before, but did you know you can Ranger Roll pretty much anything? T-shirts, jeans, hoodies, even socks. Lay your item flat, fold in the edges, and roll it up tight from the bottom. If it's a shirt, tuck the bottom hem over the roll to seal it up. It's like making a little burrito for your suitcase. Number 2, the Clamshell Fold. This one's perfect for dress shirts or anything you don't want super wrinkled. Lay the shirt face down, fold the sleeves inward, and then fold the shirt in half, bringing the bottom up to the collar. Now, fold the sides in towards the center and you've got a flat, compact shell shape that's easy to stack. Number 3, the Army Sock Roll. This sounds intense, but it's super simple. Lay your socks on top of each other, roll them up from the toes, and when you reach the end, pull the outer sock's cuff over the roll to lock it in place. It'll never unravel in your bag, and you get a perfect little sock bundle every time. Number 4, the Underwear Parcel. For boxers and briefs, fold them into thirds lengthwise, then roll them up tight. If you're packing bras, stack them and tuck socks or undies inside the cups to keep their shape. Bonus space saver. Number 5, the Jacket Tuck. Bulky jackets can be a nightmare. Zip everything up, fold the sleeves across the chest, then fold the jacket in thirds horizontally. Now, roll it up from the bottom. If you have a hood, fold it up last over the roll to keep it secure. And finally, number 6, the Tissue Paper Trick. Lay a sheet of tissue paper on delicate tops or dresses before folding. It really helps reduce wrinkles and keeps fabrics looking fresh. Stack these folded items on top in your bag for extra protection. Remember, the real secret to packing compact is to stay consistent with your folding style. Pick the ones that work best for you, and stick with them each trip. If you found this helpful, drop a like, and let me know which folding hack is your go-to. And don't forget to check out part 1 if you missed it. Until next time, happy travels, and happy packing.